Hey guys, it's Tia and welcome back to another video of MomovalltradesDIY. If any one of you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tia. I like to share my hobby for arts and crafts, and that's what I do here. So, you know why, you just click that subscribe button and you will see more of this content. So, one of my previous viewers, if you have seen my video, Valentine's Day Dollar Tree Haul, Best Finds Ever, then you're sure going to enjoy this one. Over here, I found some awesome stuff from Dollar Tree that I'm here to share with you. And now let's just get on to the video. So to begin with, I found these signs. And this sign is from Dollar Tree. It says, "Love is all you need." I really liked it because it looked like a tag. And then this sign is actually from Aldi. And the cool thing about this is that it's one sign in the outside and another sign in the inside. I thought it was really cool. Then I found these small signs. I actually got more than one. And I was thinking about doing a really cute DIY with these. And here are some art supplies. So my daughter really wanted these pearl beads because she saw this pearl bag that she saw and she wanted to make one. And then I got this mat. Now I really needed this. Like, since I do projects with X-Acto knives, then this was a huge cash drop because from Walmart it was for like $3 or $4, and over here I only found it for $1, so I was really happy. And now I found this frame, which is from the clearance section, and it was for 50 cents. And I thought you can do like some really cool things with this, so that's why I knew that it would be something that is really worth it. Then I bought these circular sponges, which is pretty much from like the painters area or the craft section. And then I got 3 canvases. And then off from the child section, I found these tumbling tower bricks. And I really needed them, and I had something really cute planned for these. Then I got these signs, which have these strawberry picking lemonade and fruit stand. And I really liked the arrows, so I thought I could make something really nice, adorable with them. Some sort of like a fence. Then I found this chalkboard at the wooden area. And I also found this wooden cube, which was really cute, and you can make something really cute out of it. And then I got these because I really liked the wooden studs, and I think you can use them as, well, studs. Then I found this wooden wreath. And then off at the home appliances area, I found these coasters, which I was thinking to make some nice DIYs with them. Stay in tune. And then I found these 3 small little houses, which I had something cute planned out for these. And then I found this tin lid, and then these really cute tier tray sort of kind things. And I actually bought like 2 because I wanted to make tier trays for a while. And then I got this mat. Now I got this because I really love the signs, together, family, love, and I thought it would be really helpful if for like some future DIYs, along with this fence too. And over here at the paper area, I found these stickers, which actually I was really satisfied when I found the long sticker that said, "Secret ingredient is always love." I always loved this because it looked so farmhouse and so adorable, and I had to get these, you know, because sometimes in Dollar Tree it's there and then the other time it's gone, so I had to pick these up. And then I found these toothbrushes. If any of you know, I'm doing a bathroom remodel on, Instagram. I shared it. So then I actually got these for my children and my family. Then I got these cute little lights and also this hummingbird kind of feeder thing. Because in our backyard we have birds that come and go, so that's why I decided that for the summertime this will be really handy. And then here are some kitchen stuff that I got. So at my house we're always cooking something, either it's some french fries and also some, cookies or, cake. So I really, thought that these are a common thing that I usually buy from Dollar Tree because it's cheap and at the same time it's good quality. And then I really also needed this cookie spatula because, as I said, we cook lots of stuff inside of our houses. And one thing I get really happy for finding this from Dollar Tree is that in our houses we always have some sort of like a shortage of plastic containers. So I was really glad that I found these, and I usually get them from Dollar Tree because, you know, they're for a good price and they're also good quality. And now, as I said before, I was doing a bathroom redo. So I went to go and get another one of these, you know, kind of like the curtains that you put inside of the shower. And I usually like to get like more of these to have them in my stash, just for if, you know, my older ones get, you know, way too moldy. And then I was so happy and excited when I found this jade roll from Dollar Tree, because me and my daughter, we do our face routine and we like to take care of our skin, and usually you can find these for like really expensive, but over here I found for $1, so I was really excited when I found that. Then here is the soap fill, you know, the soap. I usually get my soap from Dollar Tree because mostly soap is like for $3 or $4, and then I also get the refill soap from there too. So that's what I usually buy from Dollar Tree. And now here are some glass candlestick holders. They are so adorable. I just love them. I love how glamorous and Parisian they look like. I am like so into them. And I actually also have the taller one too. And this is how it looks like. This one is actually a real one, which is not from Dollar Tree. And I just had that for a gift, so I thought these two cute small ones would go very well with them. And then here are some more art supplies. These art supplies are actually from Walmart, and actually from Walmart, from the dollar section. And I really liked these you know, ribbons that I found, and even I also asked on my Instagram that would you like me to do a St. Patrick's or a Valentine's, and actually 6 people said that they want to do Valentine's and 5 people said St. Patrick's, so that's why I went with Valentine's, which I have a Valentine's DIY coming up soon. And then I found these cute little stuff from Dollar Tree, which were these stickers, and this is a sticker pad. It's the foam one, which I'm pretty sure I'll use with my youngest one, or actually, you know, for my own DIYs. I really like the pink one. And then I also found these bunny carrots too, which were from, you know, Easter, the seasonal areas of Dollar Tree. So usually you can find these tiny rolls for like $3 or $2 or maybe maximum $4 from any hardware store. And over here I found it for $1, so it was really nice. And then I found these clock set thing, which is from Walmart, and I really wanted this because I had a nice DIY coming up for these. So that is a wrap up of my video. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and, you know, make sure you go and check out my other videos too. I also have some Valentine's DIYs coming up, so make sure you stay in tune to watch those videos. And yeah, so now it's just like, subscribe, you know, spread all the love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!